Hey everybody, so in today's video I have this key fob. This is for a Toyota Prius 2009, and I'm just going to show you how to replace the battery in it. So to replace the battery we need to first of all press this little button here where it says push. So we need to press on that and then pull the key out. So I'm just going to do that now. So just press on this little button here, like so, and then the key will come off. You then have this little slot in there, and you can get a flathead screwdriver in there. So if we get a flathead screwdriver in here, twist that, and take that cover off, and then you have your battery there. That's a 1632. You can just take that out. This one is actually working. So then you get your new one and just push it back in there. You can then put the cover back on. That just clips in there, and push the emergency key back in there. And that's it. So hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.